How safe is it to travel currently to Dubai given the current situation? So today we have with us Naved from Klook, who manages the marketing for the Middle East region. And we thought that, as we have it with him, let's have this opportunity to ask him a couple of questions related to Middle East, more specifically Dubai. So the first and the most important, which is there in everyone's mind, Naved, is how safe is it to travel currently to Dubai given the current situation?
First of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. Honestly, I know there's a regional tension going on right now, but I can give you my personal opinion that I recently came back from a trip and the airport was jam-packed. I had to wait for at least 45 minutes for the taxi. So yes, there is something going on outside, but in terms of me living in Dubai for past 11 years, I don't feel any difference living even the last month, right? People are still there, our office is open, everyone is going to the mall, everything is perfect, and we do see still, as I mentioned, a lot of foreigners coming for holidays.
So do you feel that there's something good about this time, probably, that people should rather travel during this time rather than the peak times which are there?
See, overall in the last 11 years, I've seen summer kind of dips down because of the heat, right? So people try to go to the tropical destination, that's obvious. But honestly, this is the best time to come because you don't find that kind of overload, I've seen how Burj Khalifa fire show and all those water show looks in December, right? You can't even put a step, right? So for those who still wants to enjoy the same thing, can always come in summer, and people do come because, and most importantly, for example, hotels, right? Obviously, if hotels occupancy is less, you will get a really good deal, right? But by the time you're going to book for November, December, when the hotel is full, the last few rooms going to be the most expensive one, right? So the obvious thing that when the occupancy is slightly lower, people are avoiding it because of summer, you will end up finding a lot of good deals to come and enjoy the same thing which everyone does in the peak season.
That's true. We absolutely know that, what that trouble is coming in December, because we made our last travel in the December time and it was crazy. We were actually scared for a stampede in Burj Khalifa. Okay, so now coming to my next question, how can really Klook benefit these travelers who are coming to Dubai? Do you think that, they can have a seamless experience if they book through Klook?
Of course, as you know, Klook has all the inventories which can be offered in UAE, be it theme parks, tours, attractions, everything is available on Klook. And as you know, that Klook makes it so easy for our followers or our customers to book it on Klook. You have everything in one app, and you have the best prices, the best inventory available, and there are a lot of benefits in terms of how you can easily, seamlessly book it on Klook and then enjoy the activities.
Absolutely. I can't agree more on this, because even we booked our attractions through Klook and there was nothing, there was no other place which was offering better pricing than what we got on Klook. And in addition to that, in case you want an additional discount over already the discounted rates, then you can use our coupon code PMFT100 and get additional up to 10% discount. Okay, so my last question, Naved, because you have an expertise in that particular region. What are your top 3 recommendations that you feel that the travelers must try when they're coming to Dubai?
So to be honest, in UAE offers everything, right? It's be it culture, be it theme parks, be it any tours. Desert safari is most popular, right? Burj Khalifa. So honestly, there's so many things to do in UAE itself. Now we have Sharjah, we have Ras Al Khaimah as well. That honestly, sometimes I feel if someone says that I'm coming for 1 week, and I say you've not been able to do all the things if you want to do. But my personal favorite, being here for 11 years, would be obviously Aquaventure. Is something that you cannot get over with. Ferrari World, the rides are amazing, and then I would really say Burj Khalifa. Once you see it, then you realize how big it is. You cannot explain it with the pictures and everything. And obviously the whole area, the whole vibe of downtown Dubai Mall, that's one of the best things.
Okay, thank you so much, Naved, for being with us. And what better hearing it from him, and that gives a lot of confidence that Dubai is safe, UAE is safe, and you can travel and actually get better deals currently. So all the more reason, pack your bags and book the tickets now. Thank you so much, Naved. Thanks a ton for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do.